Hello, I'm Sven Wassmer. You're here in my new signature restaurant, Memories. We are here located in Bad Ragaz at the beautiful Grand Resort. And next dish, what I'm gonna plate for you, it's a beautiful pike perch from Lago Maggiore from Ticino, what just came in this morning. It's slightly pan-fried in brown butter, and we serve it with Jerusalem artichokes, what have been fermented in whey. We created the sauce out of it. Then it's seasoned with a bit chive oil and salty lemons. So basically now we have here just that beautiful piece of fish that we have pan fried, very crispy on the skin side. Just add some of raw Jerusalem artichokes on top of it, but have been seasoned with our homemade salty lemons. And it's a bit like a raw cost salad we put on top. It has like a nice crunch and gives a nice seasoning to it. Those salty lemons have been in the jar for now over a year. Now we finally can use it, so we are happy to have them now on the menu. And then just a few raw shavings of the Jerusalem artichoke on top. Tiny bit of chive oil into the plate. And then we pour the sauce table side. The sauce, as I said, it's Jerusalem artichoke, what has been fermented in whey and salt. And I really fell in love with that sauce because it has like such a nice creamy texture, has a nice acidity, and for me it's actually I think that's the new way of doing a beurre blanc, a modern beurre blanc.